Listen, Nancy, I like you. I really do like you. But it's almost as if something is troubling you. I don't know what it is, but it's in your eyes. I can see it. Look, if there's a problem, I could help. I mean, I'm here. You can share with me. I'm willing to help you.
I do not have any problem. And if at all I have one, Michael, trust me, it has no solution.
No, don't say that. Listen, there is no problem in this world without a solution. Okay? And don't begin. Even if something is troubling you, don't worry about it. Worrying about it does not solve it. It just magnifies the problem. You know, it's almost as if you're sitting on a chair that just rocks you back and forth. It's busy rocking you, but it takes you nowhere. But I can help you if you just share with me. Trust me. Okay? Come on, Nancy. You can try.
I'm afraid. Scared.
What? No. Come on, don't do that to yourself. Fear is the greatest enemy of man. Like I said, it makes the smallest things so big. When you're afraid, you begin to think that the smallest of things is that big. I don't know what this problem is, but if you let me in, I am certain that I could help. Somehow. Please.
Do you know what, Michael?
Yes.
We're done with this discussion. Thank you. Forget it. You cannot help me.
Okay.
Get your hands off me.
My
friends are waiting for me. I need to go and meet them up. I mean, I don't even know what I'm doing here with you.
Nancy, hey. Calm down. Calm down. Please, no, you can't. Okay, you know what? Okay, we'll talk about this some other time. I have something in my car I'd like to give to you as a gift.
I don't want it.
I won't be gone for a minute. Please. You really love it. Please. Please.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.